issued a severe thunderstorm
I knew it!
warning
I had to go 20!
Western Olmsted County in
Yeah, but it's
southeastern
my county!
Minnesota, Malheur County in southeastern Minnesota, southern Dodge County in southeastern Minnesota, until 8 p.m. At 6:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Blooming Prairie,
I know it was
14
wrong.
miles south of Owatonna, moving east at 35 miles per
You're not
hour.
actually activating.
Expected hazards include tennis ball size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts.
You actually do it.
The storm has a history of producing large hail and damaging winds. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage.
I know the 120 actually
Wind damage is also likely to mobile
Look, you
homes,
actually went up
roofs,
too.
and outbuildings.
Finally got that.
This severe thunderstorm will be near Blooming Prairie around 6:40 p.m., Hayfield around 6:55 p.m., Rochester and Stewartsville around 7:25 p.m.
PM.
Other locations impacted by
That
the
scared
severe
me. I knew
thunderstorm
it was
include
happening.
County Road 3 and 108, County Road 6 and 15, Salem Corners, Rock Dell, Brookside Campground, County Road 5 and 6, and Neeville. This is a dangerous storm.
Storm.
Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. Intense thunderstorms can produce tornadoes and widespread significant wind
Oh
damage.
damn. No, no.
Although a tornado is not immediately likely,
Don't
it is
touch
best
me.
to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the
Maybe
following
tornado. I don't wanna
counties in
get it.
Minnesota, Dodge, Malheur, and Olmsted.
Oh, double header! Double header! Double header!
The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Winona County in southeastern Minnesota, Houston County in southeastern Minnesota, La Crosse County in west central Wisconsin, northwestern Vernon County
Will
in
you
southwestern
stop?
Wisconsin, southwestern Monroe County in
Maybe
west
trouble
central
header.
Wisconsin, south central Trempealeau County in
That was
west
trouble
central
header, Matt.
Wisconsin until 7:15 p.m. At 6:32 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line
Okay.
extending from near West Salem to near Lanesboro, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and ball-size hail. This is a radar indicating threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows,
In
and vehicles.
vehicles.
Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near West
That
Salem
was
and
good.
Bangor around 6:40 p.m. Coon Valley around 7 p.m.
Wow.
Maropa and Westby around 7:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Wildcat Mountain State Park,
We're gonna
County
be
Road
full
G&H,
propagation.
Brinkman Ridge, Jersey Valley County Park, Irish Hill, north side of La Crosse and south side of La Crosse. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a
Do not
severe
stay away from
thunderstorm
windows.
warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following
There, I
counties
don't have
in
to.
Minnesota, Houston, and Winona, and the following counties in Wisconsin, La Crosse, Monroe, Trempealeau, and Vernon.
Maybe another one.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. for southeastern Winona.
Bye.